Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how the SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver enables two transmitters to simultaneously receive video and telemetry data. The video is divided into three parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the hardware. How to display the video. What products are used in this test? The products used in this test are SKYDROID G30 transmitter, SKYDROID G16 transmitter, SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver, SKYDROID C11 gimbal camera, TATA 5300 mAh battery. The cables and accessories used include C11 Ethernet power cable, for GR02 antennas, 4 GR02 RF feeder cables, GR02 receiver power cable. How to connect the hardware. First, install the 4 RF feeder cables onto the GR02 receiver. Secure the feeder cables to the receiver housing, then install the 4 antennas, making sure all connections are firmly tightened for optimal signal transmission. Next, connect the POW plus LAN port of the C11 gimbal camera to the LAN port of the GR02 receiver. The C11 uses a GH1.257 pin connector, while the GR02 uses a GH1.254 pin connector. Then power on the GR02 receiver followed by the C11 gimbal camera, and wait for both devices to finish booting. How to display the video. For this demonstration we are using two transmitters. The G16 is configured as the primary transmitter, while the G30 is configured as the secondary transmitter. First, open the device assistant on the G16 transmitter. Go to Wireless Settings Transmitter Role. Set the control protocol to primary and tap Save. Next, open the device assistant on the G30 transmitter. Go to Wireless Settings Transmitter Role. Set the control protocol to secondary, then enter the same MAC address as the primary transmitter. Tap Save to finish the setup. Now launch the Gimbal FPV application on both transmitters. As you can see, the live video from the C11 gimbal camera is displayed simultaneously on both the G16 and G30 transmitters. Both transmitters are receiving the live video feed in real time. By default, both transmitters can control the gimbal through the on-screen virtual controls, including pan, tilt, zoom, photo capture and video recording. Next, switch the gimbal control mode to RC channel control. As shown, whether using the G16 or the G30, moving the control sticks allows you to operate the C11 gimbal normally. The video transmission and telemetry data remain synchronized throughout the test, and switching between transmitters is smooth, with no noticeable latency or video interruption. This is one of the GR02 Relay Receiver's most significant advantages. It supports dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz communication, allowing both the primary and secondary transmitters to simultaneously receive live video and telemetry data. Based on the configured control logic, control authority can be transferred quickly between the two transmitters. This makes the GR02 ideal for demanding applications such as mountain operations, beyond visual line-of-sight flights, remote takeoff and landing, and multi-operator missions, significantly improving the safety and reliability of unmanned systems. That concludes our demonstration of the SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver simultaneously receiving video and telemetry on two transmitters. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more SKYDROID product reviews, wiring tutorials, and user guides, be sure to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone product reviews, flight tests, and practical tutorials. See you in the next video.